Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and opening the app list so you can act immediately. First, make sure your phone is on, unlocked, and connected. Next, go to Settings, then Apps or Apps and Notifications, and tap See All Apps. This shows every app that could be blocking calls or messages. Once you find the spam blocker, it might be a carrier app, a third-party blocker, or the phone app itself. Tap it to view permissions, notifications, and storage options so you can change its behavior. Now you'll change the app's behavior so legitimate calls and messages come through. Tap Permissions and make sure phone, SMS, or contacts access is set correctly. Denying phone access can force blocking. Then open notifications for that app and turn off any spam filter or silent blocking rules. Instead, allow notifications. If the app still misbehaves, go to Storage and clear cache, or choose Uninstall updates to revert to a base version. Make sure to confirm changes and check any in-app spam lists or blocked numbers. Finish by rebooting the phone so your changes take effect, and then test with a known contact or send a test message. If calls or texts are still blocked, disable the spam app or uninstall it. For carrier apps, disable instead of uninstall when possible. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is causing the block. If the issue disappears, uninstall recently added blockers. Make sure to re-enable necessary protections afterward, and keep a list of trusted numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.